Guys, quick update. So I arrived in Mobile last night. I didn't really film anything because I got in late. I just wanted to eat and go to bed. But I arrived here last night and I stayed in like a little hut place. And I was supposed to have that for 2 nights, but I guess they didn't have me for 2 nights. So instead, I got to book this place, which was supposed to be like a dorm in a hotel. It's like under construction, but it's cool because I got a bed. I think I'm gonna have a shared roommate later. Bathroom, basically just the basics, for like $8 a night. I think this place is gonna be really cool eventually, but right now it's like a construction war zone. Check this out. Like literally, like look at that. Eventually it'll be pretty cool though, no doubt. So I might have to come back here next time in Mobile and have a little bit more money. Alright guys, quick update. So renting motorbikes. Check out my bike. Oh yeah. It's gonna be sweet. Almost here, got myself a coconut, as basic as that may be, but as you can tell, the water is so blue already. This is why I came here. We're almost there. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever. How do you feel about this place?
Ah, it's great.
It's so cool.
It's so blue.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
hey guys, so I made it. The Kawasan Falls. This is probably the coolest thing I've ever seen. Worth it coming all the way across the world to see it. Check this out. Apparently foreigners aren't allowed to jump here, but this guy's a local, so he's about to do it.
we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.